In all the history of alcohol dating back to 12,000 years, people will always find a good reason to drink. Nonetheless, alcohol might be initial motivation for humans to develop agriculture. Let's take a look on some other cool facts about alcohol. Once Alexander the Great held a drinking competition, but when the competition was ended, over 40 people have died from alcohol poisoning. This is a gas cloud of alcohol called G34-3. It is located 10,000 light-years away near constellation Aquila. The gas cloud is entirely made of ethyl alcohol, enough to fill 400 trillion pints of beer, which on average could last for 1 billion years for every human on Earth. People with big muscles are less prone to hangovers because muscles contains water which absorbs alcohol. According to Yukon Canada Wildlife Preserve, the bohemian bird sure has hangover issues. During winter she eats fermented berries from rowan trees, and ends up in flying accidents. The record of the most strongest beer held by a Scottish brewery Brewmeister, it has 67% alcohol, giving its popular name the Scottish Killer. The most expensive vodka comes from the House of Leon Vers, with a massive price tag of $4 million. This much anticipated Russian vodka said to be filtered through sand made of crushed diamond, then poured into a bottle encrusted with platinum. In 1862, during the American Civil War, Confederate soldiers stopped a Union supply train in Virginia. Instead of fighting the Union soldiers, they plundered the whiskey and allowed Union soldiers to sneak away. Meteor is a brand of grape wine, famous to age under a 4 billion years old meteor. The meteor was crashed in desert of Chile some 6,000 years ago. The man behind the idea is meteorologist Ian Hutchian, who runs both Vineyard and Astronomy Center in Chile. In the 1840s, between the American Revolution, people were so skeptical about water contamination, they preferred wines to drink as a daily necessity. Alcohol is prohibited in UK Parliament, with one exception, as only Chancellor can drink while declaring annual budget. US television networks allow alcohol advertisement, as long as no person actually drinks in the commercial. Russian ruler Vladimir the Great once considered to change his religion to either Islam or Christianity. For this he sent envoys to study both the religion, but after knowing Islam prohibits drinking, he adopted Christianity. China is the real inventor of snake wine. Traditionally it is prepared by infusing the whole snake into the alcohol. It is believed such wine develops medicinal properties. A research revealed a glass can influence drinking habits. It shows people drink slowly when alcohol is served in straight-sided glass than curved-sided. In Europe, alcohol consumption is so common that teenagers can booze out from the high school cafeteria. Humans cannot digest alcohol. It is directly absorbed into the bloodstream and takes about 6 minutes to react with the brain. In ancient Persia there was a tradition: if a person decides something while drunk, it will reconsider when sober, and if the decision was made sober, it will reconsider when drunk. Astronomers discovered a comet called Lovejoy, which is estimated to be releasing alcohol every second, as much as found in 500 bottles.